So, I've been busy creating an animation course, and I'm super proud of it, but I'll let the animation talk for itself.
Ever since I was a boy, animation has fascinated me. It can take you to places you've never been, from atop a wizard's tower against a clear sunset sky, to voyaging across dangerous waters and battling ferocious creatures from the ocean's deep. Or taking to the stars, wandering through the void of unexplored deep space, discovering new planets and meeting those who reside there. Learning animation has led me on many an adventure, and when you finish this course, you'll be well on your way to making your own adventures in the world of Adobe Animate. Let's get started.
I teamed up with Bloop Animation, a website dedicated to teaching animation, specifically to update their Adobe Animate course for 2021. In this course, I take you through the entire animation process in Adobe Animate, from getting used to the interface to rigging characters and animating them completely. We talk about frame by frame, tweening, camera animation, everything. It's safe to say it's the most comprehensive tutorial series I've ever made in Adobe Animate, and you can even get access to all of the course materials, so you can follow along and dig through the finished files to get a complete understanding of the workflow. It's a one-time fee for lifetime access, and even if this course isn't your cup of tea, there's plenty of other amazing courses on Bloop, even from legends like Alan Becker of Animator vs. Animation fame. I recently completed the TV Paint animation course, for example, and it was very comprehensive and useful, especially for someone who's never opened up that piece of software before. So, click the link in the description or in the comments to enroll in the course and begin your animation journey today.
Enroll today using the link in the description and comments. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's really no reason why you shouldn't. Plus, I get a commission from every sale that uses my affiliate links, which means I can continue to make free videos here on YouTube for as long as I can. Thank you very much, everyone, and I'll see you next time.